What's up, guys? Just got up. It's like 11 something, and I wasn't expecting anything today, but can you guys see that? Hold on, let me get some better lighting. You got my headlights. Let's open this box. Let's see this. Rip this shit open. Okay. For the sequential. Oh shit, really? Wow. Wow. Really nice packaging. Wow. I am impressed. Let's take a look at the last one. Doesn't come with a gasket, which kind of concerns me. Okay. This is oh, the gasket's right here. It's just folded. It looks weird. Okay, so they got the gaskets, the sequential lights. This looks so nice. Let's install these bad boys. Let's go. What's up, guys? So here's the tail lights. Woo. Wrong one. My bad. Here it is. God damn, it looks fresh. All we need is what? 10 mil. We got this bloop right here. Pop it in reverse. There's my lame brother. Never wants to come in the videos, but always wants to check. Oh, you ain't that shot right there. This is where it goes. Really fast. Yeah. I'm a cameraman, so this is all by feel. Put that through. The Karate Kid, everybody. It's the Karate Kid. Look at the Karate Kid. Ah! Woo. That looks tough. Go press on the brakes. Wait, I didn't plug it in yet. I'm not putting that sequential thing here. Of course I leave my cheese in the trunk like an idiot. Why wouldn't I? Hey! Let's do the next one now. On to the next one. Save some battery. I'm just gonna tune you guys off, do it. Show you guys when it's done. I got one screw missing, so it's a little wobbly. I didn't use it. Doesn't that make a difference? Jesus. Let me turn on this sequential. God damn. Hold on, I'm gonna go inside and I'm gonna show you the reverse light. I can't see it. That's it.
the new Spec detail lights. I'll do a review, maybe, later on, after I've had them for a little bit. But yo, so far, they look sick. I love the way they look.